Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to apply the spinning space effect for your videos in CapCut. So here I've already imported a clip, and the spinning space effect can easily be found in the video effects. And here you just need to go to the distortion category, and in here you'll find the spinning space effect. Click on the effect to apply and adjust it to your liking. You can adjust the size, the twist, the rotate, and also the filter. Okay, when you're done, you can just go back, click on the check icon, and adjust on how much or how the length of the effect will be applied to the clip. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and click on the thanks button. Bye.